In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hide likes on a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, open facebook.com in your browser. From there, switch over to your Facebook business page so you are managing the correct page before making any changes. After you are on your business page, look to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This will open the main settings area for your page, where Facebook keeps privacy and visibility options. Inside the settings page, find and click Reaction Preferences. This section controls whether reaction counts are shown on your content and on content from others while you are using the page. When the Reaction Preferences page opens, look for the setting called Hide the number of reactions on your posts and reels. This option allows you to hide the visible reaction count on the content that your business page publishes. Turn on the toggle next to this setting. Once it is enabled, Facebook will stop showing the total number of reactions on your posts and reels to viewers. Next, stay on the same page and locate the second setting called Hide the number of reactions on posts and reels from others. This controls whether reaction totals are displayed when you view content posted by other accounts. Turn on this toggle as well if you want a more private and cleaner viewing experience while using your business page. After both toggles are turned on, give Facebook a moment to apply the changes. In most cases, these settings are saved automatically, so you do not need to click a separate Save button. Just wait a few seconds for the update to take effect. Once that is done, go back and check your page posts and reels to confirm that the reaction counts are now hidden. You can also review content from other accounts to verify that reaction totals are no longer being displayed there either, depending on the settings you enabled. This is a simple way to reduce visible engagement numbers and create a more privacy-focused appearance for your business page. It only takes a minute to set up, and the changes can be adjusted again later if needed. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.